Hi, this is Dave Katz with Therapist Consultants, and I have a tip for you. You know, I try never to cover a topic that I've covered in the last year or two, but I have to cover one that we covered not too long ago, and that is self-help. Doing a good job for yourself so you don't get burned out. We talked about burnout a few months ago, and you'd be surprised how many comments we got about, yes, this is me, I'm in burnout. So let's talk about what to do to prevent burnout. The first thing you have to do is decide to work early or late, but not both. Now, therapists tend to start early in the morning and they go till late at night. That's going to burn you out. You have to make sure that you're going either in late or you're quitting early so that your day is a little shorter. The second thing you have to do is you have to cluster book, which means you have to put all your patients in one cluster. You know, maybe cluster it around the middle of the day and then work out from there. That way you have time at the beginning and the end of the day to get things done. The third thing you need to do is take an extra day off. If you're working 5 days, go down to 4. It's not going to affect you near as much as you think. If you're working 4 days, go down to 3, and you'll really have a nice situation where you have 4 days off and just work 3 days. Then the fourth thing you have to do is you have to plan vacations. They say you get just as much rest from planning a vacation as going on a vacation because you think about it and it frees up your mind. And number 5, this is an important one, you have to dismiss any patients that are giving you trouble, that are hard to work with, that are obstinate or anything like that. I had one therapist say the happiest day in his practice was when he realized he could dismiss the troublesome patients and it wouldn't affect his practice. You know, there's the old Paral Principle that 80% of your patients cause you 20% of your problems and 20% of your patients cause you 80% of your problems. If you can get rid of some of that 20%, I think you'll have a much happier practice. So think about it. You need some self-care. Plan your vacations. Don't work early or late. Don't work both early and late. And just make sure that you take care of yourself, because once you get burned out, it's a lot easier to get burned out again. So take care of yourself. A lot of self-preservation, a lot of self-care. You'll be glad you did. This is Dave Katz. Thanks for listening.